Hi everyone, my name is Juan David Silva Garzon. I'm currently studying bachelor's degree in foreign languages with an emphasis in English. And today I'm going to show you my scrapbook with some pictures that I have taken doing some shirts and errands. So let's start with this one. He eats like a horse. In this selfie, I'm feeding my cat. By the way, he eats a lot. My cat needs feeding 3 times daily. Alright. Here I'm arriving home with groceries and food. Even though everything is getting more expensive, I need to do the shopping each week. Next week, I will have my brother do the shopping. And the phrase was, one day you go to buy candies and the other vegetables. And that's actually true. Alright, here's kind of obvious. The dishes need washing, therefore I put on the washing gloves and start with that. Even though I hate washing dishes, I have to do it. Okay. This one, the clothes need to be washed. So I put them into the washing machine and added liquid soap, and that's when I start washing my clothes. And the phrase is washing the clothes is my best hobby, which actually it is not. All right, this one is one of the hardest shirts, but my cat's bed needs cleaning. If we don't clean it, the dirtiness let germs go crazy. So we can offer germs, and that's why we have to clean his bathroom like every 3 days. And the phrase is, doesn't it smell better? Because yes, actually, it will smell much better. Okay, in this selfie, I'm going out to pay the bills. I will have my electricity cut off if I don't pay by this week. So that's why I'm paying the bill in this picture. And yes, the phrase is, do I look like an adult paying bills, right? I'm not used to that, but yes, I have to do it. And finally, in this picture, I'm sweeping the floor. However, that's one of the worst chores. Thank God, I'm pretty sure I can get my sister to clean the floor next week. And the phrase is, my home is clean as a new penny, which is like actually a good phrase used in United States. And yes, basically that will be it for my scratchbook. I hope you like it. And thank you so much. Bye bye.